Assalamualaikum and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello again everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. This time I'm not even gonna apologize anymore because of the background noise you might be hearing as I did in my previous video. It is what it is. There's a construction beside my building. Yeah, so I just will have to live with it. Anyways, today's video is actually long overdue. I have received this whole set of Wardah Instaperfect goodies. I'm so excited to do a full face makeup tutorial using all Wardah Instaperfect products. Mind you, although this line has most of the products like eyeliner, eyebrow, blusher, and things like that. Things like, for example, concealer or maybe mascara, things that this line don't carry. I will simply have to use something that is from my own makeup collection, so I hope you guys don't mind. Without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. I have already taken the courtesy to prep and prime my face, so I'm gonna go straight on to foundation. The Wardah Instaperfect line has this Instaperfect Mineralight Matte BB Cushion. I think my skin fits best with the shade Ivory, so that's what I'm gonna use today. So that's the finishing. I actually really like it because number one, I think this shade matches my skin really well. Secondly, because I don't feel like it's too thick on my face, and I really appreciate that. Since obviously we can still see some blemishes on my skin, I'm gonna cover it up as usual with my own concealer. Okay, done with that. Now I'm gonna set everything in place. In this Instaperfect line, they also have the Instaperfect Matte Fit Powder Foundation. I love that it's a powder, but it has coverage and it's very powdery soft. So it blends in your skin really well. The only problem in my case is that number 14 is a little bit too dark for my current skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna try to set my foundation concealer in place. I'm gonna try to use this, see if it works. There's a puff in there as well, but I'm gonna use a brush so that I can just dust the powder lightly. Oh, I forgot to do concealer for my under eye. I'm gonna do that real quick before I set everything. Okay, so I have set my base. This is how it looks like. Not bad. So I'm gonna move on and go straight to the brows. When it comes to brows, the Instaperfect line actually has a few choices. We have the Instaperfect Geniustwist, and we also have the Instaperfect 3D Brow Mascara. Pencil brow products with spoolie are my favorite. They're so easy to use. They're practically foolproof. Obviously, we can just stop here, but I can't not try the 3D Brow Mascara. So I'm gonna put this one on top, just like my brow hairs look more defined. My brows look quite thick now. I'm gonna try to shape them using concealer. Now eyeshadow. I love seeing new eyeshadows in drugstores, so when I saw the Instaperfect line actually has an eyeshadow, I was really intrigued and I really wanted to try it. Here's the Wardah Instaperfect Spotlight Chromatic Eye Palette. Okay, as I do with all other eyeshadows that I use, I will prime my eyelids first prior to putting on eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette consists of a lot of cool tones, which I personally don't always use, but I'm gonna try to do a look today using this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this shade Haze and put this all over my eyelid. And then I'm gonna use the shade Terra. It's a dark brown shade. It's also one of the very few matte shades that's in this palette. When you use dark colors, make sure you use a really light hand so that it won't be too harsh when you put it on. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure what kind of look that I'm going for yet. Oh, I think that blended out pretty good. Next, I'm gonna take this shade Luxe and put it at the center of my eyelid and bring it to the front. I always find it that when it comes to shimmers, I get the best color payoff when I use my fingers. Okay, never forget to also do your under eye. So I'm gonna go back to that dark brown shade and apply it on the lower lash line. Moving on, I think I'm gonna do a smoked out wing liner. I don't think I remember doing anything like that before. So to do this, I am going to use the Dynamatic Microsmooth liner, also from the Instaperfect line. I'm gonna take this really dark black shade from the eyeshadow palette and smoke it out. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on the outer corners of the lower lash line. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. Other than the pencil eyeliner, the Instaperfect line also has the Hypergetic Precise Black Liner. I'm going to use this to define my wing liner. I'm going to put on some falsies and I will be right back. Okay, so I put on my mascara and also put on falsies, so everything looks more put together. I do want to add this light shimmering shade from the eyeshadow palette and apply that on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so now we can move on to the rest of the face. They do not have bronzers and highlighters, so I am going to use my own to do this. They do, however, have a really good stick blusher. I love stick blushers. I got two colors of the Wardah Instaperfect City Blush. I got the shade Bliss and Adore, but I'm going to use the shade Bliss today on my cheeks. You can also use the sponge that comes behind here. I don't prefer to use that, so today I'm going to use the brush. I'm also gonna put on some highlights just where the light would naturally fall. Finally, lipsticks. For the lips, we actually have three different choices. We have the Instaperfect Matte Stain Lipstick. We also have the Instaperfect Mattesetter Lip Matte Paint. And we have the Instaperfect Gloss Chic Lip Crayon. I am a liquid lipstick kind of person, so I am going to use the Mattesetter Lip Matte Paint. For that, I like to overdraw my lips a little bit. It's a nice nude color. Not so nude after all. I'm going to try this one. It's better. Lastly, just set everything in place with a setting spray and you're done. Alrighty, so this is the final look. Not bad, right? Especially for drugstore standards, they're really good. My favorite has definitely got to be the BB cushion. It looks really good on my skin. Secondly, I like the eyeliner, both the pencil eyeliner and also the liquid eyeliner. Pen one gives you really good precision, so you can easily draw your winged liner. And lastly, of course, I love the City Blush blusher stick. I have been using it non-stop, especially for my on-the-go kind of makeup. Whenever I have to go out but I want to look a little bit presentable, I just like swipe this on my cheeks, dab dab dab, and I am good to go. This is probably my favorite item from the whole Instaperfect range. Anyhow, I'm sure you guys are very interested to know where can you get these products. Wardah is already available at selected Watson stores. To find out which Watson stores are available, just go to Wardah Beauty, my Instagram page, where they've listed down the list of Watson stores that carry their products. All in all, I'm very satisfied with today's makeup look. I hope you guys can even try this makeup look. It's affordable, it's drugstore, but it still looks really expensive, and I love that about this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.